Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hacksaw blades that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the JUGREAT hacksaw replacement blades. JUGREAT hacksaw blades are a professional-grade 10-pack of bimetal blades designed for a variety of cutting tasks. With a length of 12 arv and a thickness of 0.025, these blades are made from high-speed steel for ultra-high-speed cutting. The 24 TPI teeth per inch and wavy set teeth ensure efficient cutting through materials such as steel, piping, wood, angles, and more. The carbon strength steel body provides flexibility, safety, and a long lifespan. Additionally, these blades feature increased tooth hardness for enhanced wear resistance. With JUGREAT hacksaw blades, you can tackle your cutting projects with ease and precision. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DEWALT DWHT20553 hacksaw blades. DEWALT hacksaw blades are a pack of two 12-lord X32 TPI sharp and durable blades that are perfect for your cutting needs. The blades are designed to make precise cuts on various materials such as metal, plastic, and wood. The 32 teeth per inch make the blades ideal for cutting through thin materials with ease. The 12-inch length of the blades makes them suitable for use in tight spaces where other saws may not fit. Additionally, the blades are made from high-quality materials, ensuring they last longer and cut more accurately than other blades. DEWALT hacksaw blades are a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional contractor looking for a reliable and efficient cutting tool. At number 3, we have the Starrett bimetal hand hacksaw blade. Introducing the Starrett hand hacksaw blade, the ultimate tool for contractors and tradesmen. With its incomparable technology and incredible durability, this blade is a cut above the rest. The patented solid-state diffusion process used by Starrett produces the industry's most advanced bimetal hacksaw blade, ensuring unmatched performance. The increased tooth strength and reduced breakage and fracture make it perfect for even the most demanding applications. Whether you're working in cramped spaces or dealing with bending or twisting stresses, this blade will make your cutting experience effortless. And with its user-friendly design, it's suitable for professionals and amateurs alike. Starrett has been manufacturing quality tools since 1880, and their commitment to excellence has made them one of the most trusted names in the industry. At number 2, we have the FOXBC 12 Hacksaw Blade 18 TPI. Introducing the FOXBC 12 Hacksaw Blade, the perfect tool for all your metal cutting needs. This 10-pack of bimetal blades is designed to keep its sharpness for a long time, ensuring clean and precise cuts every time. With a combination of flexibility from carbon steel and cutting performance from high-speed metal, these blades can bend and flex without breaking. The 18 TPI blade is ideal for cutting heavy metals ranging from 1 Tawan 8 to 1 Tawan 2, including unhardened tool steel and stainless steel. The shatter-resistant, wavy set teeth and flexible, non-shatter carbon steel back provide durability and reliability. Upgrade your hacksaw frame with FOXBC hacksaw blades and experience extreme cutting performance, wear resistance, and a high degree of flexibility for the best results. And finally, at number 1, we have the Eclipse Professional Tools 71 132R Junior Hacksaw Blades. The Eclipse Professional Tools 71 132R Junior Hacksaw Blades are a durable and versatile tool for cutting wood and metal. With 32 teeth per inch and a 6 bars overall length, these blades provide superb cutting performance and wear resistance. They are designed for use with Eclipse 14JR, and there are 675R hacksaws sold separately, making them a great addition to any toolbox. The virtually unbreakable bimetal blade ensures safety while delivering precise and clean cuts. Whether you're working on a woodworking project or tackling a metal fabrication task, these durable replacement saw blades will get the job done. Trust in Eclipse Professional Tools, a brand that has been selling quality products since 1909. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.